Hi, I want to say welcome to everybody that's in AEP 855 VB. My name is Braden Hubbard, and I am currently going for my master's in elementary education. A little background on myself. I'm currently working as an HR payroll person at a nursing home in my area. A little bit about myself. I did go to school for I got a bachelor's in criminal justice. Um, growing up, always kind of told myself I was going to to be a lawyer. So I got a criminal justice degree with a minor in pre-law. I got to the stage that I could take my law school entrance exams, the LSAT, and I decided that really wasn't the path I wanted to go. Kind of a couple factors that led into that. And then during my time at the school, I was kind of finishing my degree, trying to figure out what I was going to do with it. Took an internship at a federal courthouse in the probation and parole office, and I saw sides of it that were both good and bad. Obviously, in the modern times, the climate isn't great for the law enforcement side of it. There's a lot of different opinions on that, and where everyone stands is their own. Everyone's entitled to their own thing, so I'm not gonna bash it one way or the other. It was a good experience. I saw many things. It allowed me to be the help to people that I wanted to be, but it was just kind of different negative things about it that kind of steered me away from it. So I took either 6 months or a year off. I can't remember exactly, but during that time, I got into my current job. So I kind of always wanted to be that helpful factor for people. I always wanted to help people. And I really wanted to focus on kids. When I was going to be a lawyer, I wanted to be a juvenile lawyer. In the probation and parole field of it, I tried to kind of get an emphasis to work with the people in my internship that focused on the juvenile side of it. I really wanted to see them. I wanted to help them kind of fix mistakes that they made in their life, turn it around. And then ultimately I decided on being a teacher because all in all, I wanted to help these kids. I wanted to get them at the good times. I wanted to teach them the good things. I wanted to get them the good memories. I don't want them to associate me with the bad parts of their life. Everyone makes those kind of errors, so I always wanted to help the kids. This was just kind of my way into it, and I think that my personality would fit great as a teacher. My current position, I am in a leadership position. I'm part of the leadership team there, kind of help make decisions as a whole. That is split amongst 13 of us, so it kind of helps alleviate some of that pressure of being the lone leadership person. Kind of gives me power to say what needs to be said and fill in my things. Being the HR position, I see several different things. Going for my teaching, I'm supposed to student teach in August, and then I'll graduate with my master's if all goes well in December. So finally, some examples of good and bad leaders in my life. I've seen a lot. I've seen good both ways. I've seen bad. Some of my favorite leaders or teachers I've had growing up. I carry around a $2 bill in my wallet because my second grade teacher gave it to me. She really was a great leader. She provided examples. She showed us how she wanted things done. She didn't just pass off commands and orders, but really gave us the emphasis to really follow what was needed. So I've kind of kept this $2 bill as a tribute to her, and it is going to be like the first thing I put on my wall when I decorate my room, and it's just kind of one of those small little tokens that is always kind of a reminder of that. Bad leaders, I have had leaders in the past that were what I say is gold, and if you don't listen to it, you're wrong. Obviously, your leader is someone who is supposed to tell you what to do, but there's also that kind of give and take of they need to know their boundaries on what is expected and what is reasonable. So there's kind of different things to really play off, kind of different things to play off how a leader can be impactful and beneficial without overstepping or just kind of being rude in their interactions. Poor leadership has affected me. Um, not growing up, when I was early in college, I took a position at a fast food chain, um, and the leadership was kind of on the lackluster side of it. They didn't help. They didn't step in to provide example. They really passed everything off down the chain, and they didn't get too involved. And that kind of really downside it for me. I kind of didn't like that, so I kind of got out of that early enough. So there's just kind of different things about me growing up, my little history. Um, Final note: got married in September of this last year of 2021. Got a dog, got 3 cats, loving wife. Just all these small little things. Look forward to a good semester in this class.